Welcome back to the channel, where we celebrate the most iconic cars in automotive history. Today, we're diving into a legend that changed the racing world forever, the 1967 Ford GT40. Known for its stunning design and groundbreaking performance, this car is more than just a machinio, it's a symbol of American determination and dominance on the track. The GT40 was born out of Ford's desire to beat Ferrari at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, and by 1967, it had evolved into an unstoppable force. The GT40 Mk IV, specifically, was the model that claimed victory at Le Mans that year, driven by the incredible duo of Dan Gurney and A.J. Foyt. It was a moment that cemented Ford's place in racing history. This car wasn't just about winning, it was a masterpiece of engineering. Under the hood, the 1967 GT40 was powered by a 7.0-litre V8 engine that delivered an incredible 485 horsepower. Paired with the lightweight body and advanced aerodynamics, it could reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour, making it a true track monster. The design of the GT40 is unmistakable. Its low-slung, aerodynamic profile and aggressive stance were crafted not only to look stunning but also to dominate the competition. The sleek lines, bold stripes, and iconic number decals make it one of the most recognizable race cars ever built. The Ford GT40 wasn't just a car, it was a revolution. It proved that passion, innovation, and relentless drive could take on the best in the world and win. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this look at the legendary GT40, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time.